I am finally monetized on YouTube. Alright guys, please forgive me. I'm so happy I'm finally monetized on YouTube. It haven't been easy. The journey was not easy. Yes, it wasn't easy because I felt discouraged. I felt like giving up many times. I felt depressed. I remember when my YouTube monetization was a prayer point. Yes, that was the time it was a prayer point. I was always praying, God, please, bring me subscribers and watch hour. Now I finally have it. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Okay, guys, so I want to quickly share with you guys how I was able to get 1,000 subscribers. Like I got 1,000 plus subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you have any question, you are free to ask in the comment section. Let's dive into the video. Okay guys, I was struggling to reach 1,000 subscribers. I was struggling. I did a lot of things, like I created a lot of videos even when I know I have quality videos. Yes, that sometimes when you start wrongly, it affects your channel. Yes, if you start your YouTube channel and you are not getting views, just take God's grace. You need hard work. You need to work hard so that or one of your video will click off and people get to know you, something like that. So starting your YouTube channel, like the beginning of your YouTube channel, also contributes to your growth on YouTube, but that doesn't define your growth. Even if you don't start well, you can also work and build your channel. Okay, just like it's going to take extra work. Okay, so I was very, very determined that I was going to get this 1,000 subscribers. What I did was I got a book and a pen and I wrote down many videos that I wanted to create. I wrote down like 30 videos that I wanted to create. Okay, so I wrote down videos based on different niches. I did not write a particular niche. I did not write my channel is about skincare, so I did not write only about skincare because I also share tips on how you can grow your own YouTube channel. So I also wrote about YouTube. Okay, so I was very, very determined. I said I'm going to be posting 4 times in a week for 2 weeks. Okay, so I was posting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. I posted for 8 days in 14 days. In that 2 weeks I posted 8 days. Okay, so when I was posting, some were getting views, some were not also getting views, and I kept on posting. So after that 2 weeks I kind of gave a break, and to my surprise, the from that 2 weeks I stopped to the next 2 weeks I got 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I'm being very, very honest. YouTube started pushing out my videos. That's when I found out that consistency works. Yes, because I've seen some videos where people will tell you that it's not a matter of consistency. My dear, but consistency works. If you want to make money on YouTube, if you want to grow on YouTube, you need to be consistent. So that's when I found out that consistency work. YouTube started pushing out those videos I created, and people were watching. People, some likes, some commented, some subscribed. So I got 1,000 subscribers. I also got watch hour, but the watch hour was not enough, so the watch hour was still remaining. So what I did was I started creating long videos. So I increased my minutes. Like if I was creating 6 minutes, 5 minutes videos, I started creating like 10 minutes, 12 minutes videos, 15 minutes videos. So I started creating long videos. That's another thing that helped me to get 4,000 watch hour really fast. So I also started, since I created my YouTube channel, this is a year plus. I haven't gone live before, so I started going live too. I started going live on people. Some people come, they will watch. Some people will go, something like that. So it also helped me. It gave me watch. Live watch hour counts a lot. Like it comes in big. How should I even put it? It's big, something like that. So I also got my watch hour from there. So I also talked about how to do silent live stream, how to do silent live stream. So I also started doing silent live stream, and that silent live stream, you don't even need to be present before you do it. You can schedule it and go and do whatever thing you want to do when the time comes, your live stream will stream. So I started doing silent live stream. And I also created, though I've created a playlist already. So I shared my playlist to my friends, and when I make video, I also ask people to check out my playlist. And guys, I'm going to be very honest. I have another channel, so but I haven't started posting on that channel. So most times I was using the channel to watch my playlist, like to stream my playlist. I'll go to my playlist, then I'll click on it. And the good thing about playlist is when you watch one video, you don't need to click on the other one. When that one finishes, it will just go to the other one. When it's finished, it will go to the other one. So imagine someone was watching your playlist and the person slips off, so it will keep on going playing till the last one, unless it gets to the last one. That's when it's going to stop. So I started streaming my own playlist, and I also asked people to please stream my playlist. So these few things, I have to be very honest with you, are the things I did that really helped me to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour really fast. Okay guys, YouTube is worth it. I encourage you not to give up. Okay, it takes time. Some people are lucky, or with few videos it will work for them. Some people are lucky. So I encourage you not to give up, even if it take 1,000 videos. Keep posting. You know, the good thing about those videos is when you are monetized, you make a lot of money, because when people watch those videos you've created, they will just be bringing money to you. Do you understand? You have a lot of videos, ad days, Google puts adverts in them, so they will just be bringing money. That's why when you are eligible, when you are monetized, you just be seeing a lot of money there. Yes, you just be seeing money, so it's worth it. I encourage you not to give up. I encourage you to keep pushing. Okay, another thing is, you can also go to people, you go to other people's channel, you go to their comment section, you comment, you ask people to connect, something like that. Okay, you ask people to connect. But see, let me tell you, it's better you have subscribers that will watch your videos, that will like your videos and comment, than not to have subscribers that will not watch your videos. Okay, and another thing is, when you create or when you post a video, if people just click on it and skip, it affects the video performance. People need to click and watch, even if it's a minute. Okay, so that to send a good signal to YouTube. So that's what I do. Most times when I post my video, I'll use my other channel and watch it. Okay, so that I'll just send a good signal to YouTube algorithm, so that YouTube will push out my videos. So these are the little things I did that helped me to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Like now I have 1,000 plus subscribers. I'm so happy. So guys, that's what I said. Let me share with you guys. I hope this video, you'll find it helpful. I hope it will encourage you not to give up, that you will get there very soon. Okay guys, if you have any question, you are free to say it in the comment section, and please make sure you congratulate me, or yes, come on tap. So guys, see you on my next video. Thank you, bye. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye guys.